Love bitches.
What's the plan for tomorrow then, Bo?
Up 6 o'clock in the morning. Bam! Yes. And then we're going to shoot our intro for another day at the seaside.
Yeah.
And then we're going to try and hit some parks. Maybe it's street, depending on the weather, if it's sunny or raining. Hopefully it don't rain, because if not then we can't shoot the video. Or we can shoot the intro but not get any clips done. But 6 in the morning, because behind the camera is busy. So I have to get up early. Bitch!
Yeah. What are you doing, Booty? What are we doing?
Going up New Park because someone didn't wake up on time. And now we're gonna just get some bit of street going on before it rains. So yeah.
Look at that cloud. Film the cloud. Film the cloud. Oh, it's gonna be nasty. Oh well. Let's get a little bit sun. A little bit sunsetting. That's Amber, by the way. You haven't met Amber yet.
Hi!
She's my girlfriend, so... Well, so how long for, anyway.
We'll see how long.
She loves me, really. She just doesn't like
I love you, you're just a bit of a dick.
Okay. I'll take that.
Look at how lovely and shitty Great Yarmouth is.
Don't start hating Great Yarmouth, man.
I'm allowed to, I live here. It's nice when it's sunny.
So pretty.
I'm just gonna film Bodie.
I have wax from my ledge. And I have water for hydration.
Bo, is that quantity H2O?
It's quality H2O.
Why did you not film him saying that? Film him saying that now.
Oh,
Not doing that again.
Say it, Bo.
No.
Do it. Go on.
That's your only chance.
Do it, Bo. Go on.
No.
Go on, Bo.
No.
Go on, Bo.
No.
Go on, Bo.
Peer pressure don't work.
Quantity H2O.
what the fuck was that?
Call you through something like a fucking window.
Look, we can do street as well. Look how nice it is.
Yeah, it is a nice day today.
I don't care, we're doing street.
Yeah. Have you seen how black it is?
Yeah, but it's alright now, isn't it? That's why you do it while it's nice, before it gets shit again.
Yeah, it's in it. Before it rains, we'll get something in. There's some sets over there.
Yeah, we'll hit something.
Amazon.
We'll hit something. We'll get something back. Even if it's just new
Still
boats.
recording.
You can stop recording now, it's eating my battery.
No, it's fine.
What's wrong with you?
Scooter!
Scooter kid! What up, Scooter McScooterson?
I'm filming the sky, it's kind of pretty.
Do it, just push them in the way, look, go
That is one thing I hate is people.
Okay, just went up to the skate park for a skate. It's now hailing.
Get out the back door and see how bad it looks. Look how dark it is.
Look, that's how the sky looks over there. Now look over there. It looks like hell is coming on
I told
Earth.
them it was going to piss it down.
We told Bodie.
I got my trick done, so I don't care.
He got his trick,
Got it down.
and yet I get to film nothing whatsoever again.
We haven't got proof right.
Well, we never denied the fact. I said it was going to piss it down.
Yeah, but I got the trick down. That's what matters.
You got his trick down.
It's not about who gets it down, it's just as long as you get a bit of footage done.
Yeah, but I need to get more footy because at the moment it's just looking like your skate video.
Well,
Yeah.
you can get some of the indoor park.
I hate skating indoor park all the time.
Yeah, we're done. Let's just get some footage. I mean, funny.
Exactly.
Alright, Bo, next time we go to an indoor, if I shout you saying I need filming, you're coming over and filming me.
Yeah, I
If
said
I'm-
I wouldn't.
If I'm all done, I'll do something.
Yay! I'm going to have multiple cameras and all that. Alright.
You're going to have one camera, not multiple. One. You have Amber, or you can have me. Say when Amber don't want to film, I'll film. If I don't want to film, Amber will film.
How about if you both don't? How about if you both don't want to film?
Then you can go fuck yourself.
You are Jonathan.
Jonathan, tell me how I hold my camera. Alright then.
That was random. It's now stopping.
Yeah, but the park's going to be slowly as hell.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
And this is what we get in Yarmouth. Now, it stopped raining.
What time's the indoor park open?
4.
You sure?
4.
You want to go there later on, I don't know.
doing right now? And that was...
No.